Signing the separation agreement, what you need to know. Dustin McCrary, divorce attorney and founder of the law office of Dustin McCrary, discusses the steps you should take to ensure that your separation agreement is official. Hi, I'm Dustin McCrary, and I'm glad you've joined me today. Today, I'd like to discuss a topic that almost everyone encounters at some point in the divorce process, the separation agreement. First things first, what is a separation agreement anyway? In North Carolina, a separation agreement is a legally binding contract between a husband and wife that they enter into to address and resolve such matters as property division, debts, custody, and support that they encounter during their divorce. One question I'm often asked after couples have negotiated and come to an agreement on the issues between them is, how do I make the separation agreement official? This is an important question and one that I'd like to discuss with you a bit today. In order for a separation agreement to be legally binding on the parties, like most legal documents, it must be written, signed, and officially notarized. Typically, the agreements are typed out either by the parties themselves or by their attorneys, and then signed by both the husband and wife. When it comes to the validity of the agreement, both parties must sign it in order for it to be binding. One signature will not do. Often, two copies of the agreement are signed, and one is given to the husband and the other to the wife. The signatures are usually made in front of an official notary who confirms that the parties signed in his or her presence. Many attorneys are notaries, and if not, they'll have one at their office. Banks and post offices are also good places to find notaries as well. After the agreement's signed and official, another question I'm often asked is, what do I do with it now? The answer may surprise you because it's do whatever you think is best. That may seem strange, but it's true. In North Carolina, the parties are not required to officially file the separation agreement with the court. What you should do, however, is take your copy of the agreement and ensure that you store it in a safe place, accessible to you, but unable to be easily accessed or tampered with by others. Occasionally, there are couples who are conducting real estate transactions after the time they sign the separation agreement, but prior to the official divorce decree being entered. In these situations, the parties will be required to file a copy of their separation agreement with the state at the Register of Deeds office. In these instances, filing a copy of the full agreement is not necessary. A simple document called a memorandum of agreement, in which the parties acknowledge that they have a valid separation agreement, is sufficient. This gives parties the freedom, flexibility to keep their private details of their agreement to themselves if they wish to do so. That's it. It's a pretty short and simple process. While negotiating a successful resolution to the issues between you may take some time, this part of the process fortunately doesn't. If you need assistance with drafting a separation agreement or any other part of the divorce process, I'm here for you. I'm passionate about meeting my clients where they are and helping them through the divorce process toward a bright new beginning. And I'd love to do the same for you. Call me anytime.